Om Sai Ram to all the Baba lovers out there. So, how's everyone doing? And we are nearing the end, the year end now. I guess there's just one more Thursday left for this beautiful 2022 to come to an end. And I hope you all have had a beautiful and a rocking year. Let's be grateful. Maybe this Thursday and next Thursday, let's be grateful and let's do things of gratitude because Baba has given us a beautiful, beautiful 2022, and I'm sure He's going to give us a much, much more, a bigger and a beautiful and a abundant, blessed 2023 also. So, as gratitude, what can we do? Help people, do things for the needy, because I always feel we are blessed in a lot and lot of ways. There are a lot of things which people don't have, which we have. Maybe if you have any goshala near your place, you can feed the cows, you can feed the stray animals, you can do annadan, or you can educate a child. You can see a poor child and you can educate a child. Do whatever you feel up, but I would suggest as a gratitude, and also today visit a Baba's temple, or if you are a person who's like me who feels God is inside you, then you can even sit in your Baba's, near your Baba statue, and thank him. List out the things you are grateful for. List out the things what are there in your life which is a blessing this year, and I'm sure Baba will be super happy hearing all that. So let's see what is in the cards. Discovery. The world is your home. Be happy wherever you are. So maybe Baba also wants you to be happy in your own small ways, and Baba is asking you all to just take life as a blessing and have gratitude. Maybe it's just a reconfirmation for that. Let's see. Let me pull one more card. Telepathy. Baba will communicate with you. So, as I said, do signs of gratitude. Do the way. Do one of the ideas which I'm asking you to do. Maybe Baba will show you a sign that he's happy the way you have been grateful, and maybe Baba shows you a sign of how your upcoming year will be. All you need is just a sign from the amazing man, and I'm sure he's going to give you a sign. And the last card. So surrender to Baba with dedication. Tell Baba thank you for the 2022. Thank you for the upcoming 2023. I'm sure you're going to give me a message as to how my year is going to be, and I'm sure it's going to be a blessing. Also, if any of you can do, it is not a compulsion, but if any of you can do, I have always said Baba loves mutton biryani. Maybe pick up some mutton biryani from a hotel, or make some mutton biryani and give it to poor people, so that they also have a amazing meal today, and in turn they bless you with a lot of happiness, lot of good health, and lot of abundance. Have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.